Hello guys, it's Doug Place here, and yeah, today, well, you already know it by the video cover that I'm basically gonna be doing a box opening with this thing, a Razer keyboard. Let's go. This thing. I really wanted a keyboard for quite a while since like my old setup is like, I have a laptop, I have a computer, I have a monitor, and yeah, I have a very good mouse, which is like right here. This is the mouse I'm gonna be doing. I didn't do a box opening for that because this is my birthday present. I was in Japan and I couldn't really record myself opening it, but yep, this thing is sick. Okay, so I feel like the most appropriate way to open this up is just to do it on my sofa. My bed. You don't need to see anything on it, so let's open it up. Ooh, look at this, guys. Keyboard. Totally didn't test it out an hour before it came, or before I started recording. So we opened this up, and yeah, we got the wires here, which we can connect it somewhere else. So let's just take this thing off. Okay, and then yeah, I'm gonna take this thing out. And look at this. Very good keyboard. Can we just appreciate how good this is? Yo guys, this is sick. Look at this rainbow. This looks really good. Yeah, I like it. Now, yeah, it is a noisy click keyboard, and I made it like very clickety for a reason. And yeah, boom, we have the complete set. A logical mouse plus a Razer keyboard. I can, just appreciate that Razer, that Razer thing right there. Okay, so now that we're in Minecraft, so if you wanted to see me getting to 100 stars, then go to this time on the screen. If you wanted to go to my keyboard hand cam but me talking, then go to this time. And if you want to go to my keyboard and mouse, which is why you clicked on this video probably, then go to this time that's on the screen. So yeah, please enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, we're on Speedway, guys, and we totally didn't lose a couple of matches before because everybody was targeting us. Shoot, American ping sucks. No, it doesn't. What is he trying to do? I do not like what he's trying to do. It's very obnoxious. Oh shoot, what the heck? Okay, what? Hacks, excuse me? What just happened there? I did not know what's going on. Like, first of all, he, like, lagged me back so hard. Oh, nope. No, 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 no. Oh, okay. That was very harsh of me. Nope. Get out of my inventory. Like an awesome, safe environment for us to talk to. Yes, this is a safe environment. Me knocking you off. Don't. Okay, now you may kill each other. For the prestige. No, we lost. We lost. Okay. Wait. He's gonna go up. He's gonna go up. Oh no! Oh, I saved myself! Oh, we did it! Iron Prestige! Hey, 100 subscriber Iron Prestige, let's go! We're on Lighthouse, and I don't really know how to play this map. Like, it all depends on what type of enemy you have. Like, are they like a rusher who just gets 32 blocks and instant rushes, or are they just going to, I don't know, do something else? Now let's see what he's gonna do. Oh, he's gonna damage it. Okay, those are one of the people I do like, and also I might be a little shabby this morning.
He's saying wow. Okay. Okay, we'll just break his bed quickly. Just gonna do that. Ooh, I don't know how to approach this guy. I'm like on 3 hearts already. I do not want him to get stacked too badly. Cool, man. Cool. Good stuff. Okay. That's 1 team down. Or blue. Yes. I have to butterfly click so I can actually go. Oh, shoot. Yeah, okay, yeah. That's good. That's good stuff. Will you notice I'm here? He doesn't notice. I found an armor. I should be able to take him. No, don't run away. Shoot. There we go. Okay, found the kill. I'll just not get him. Wait, I'll just do that. Simple as that. Let's go. And blue voided. Oh, okay, thank you. Thanks, yellow. I really appreciate that. He won't expect me to go from a behind. There you go. Okay, grapple up, and then he has a diamond sword. 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 Oh, oh no, he has a TNT. No. TF, bro. TF. You actually got Obby. You real stupid dum dum.
He doesn't notice I'm here. He thinks I've gone out. Oh, no, he's gonna get me. Okay, diamond pick. Gabble up. He's not gonna know where I am. Okay, real lag there. He already respawned, what? That's insane. How did he already respawn? I wonder what Best is doing right now.
I don't have a trap at my base. That's bad. I won't know where he... Yeah, okay, yep. I'm so glad I didn't avoid there. Good aim fireball. What? Oh, no. Oh, look at those strafes. Those legendary strafes. Holy. That Okay, that'll be it for this video. If you want to see more keyboard and ASMR, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.
More life of my Jake shit, and I'm getting tired of all the same shit. I wanna see my family, wanna see my friends. I've been slept on like my name says, and I'm pretty far from being famous, but I sure as hell ain't nameless. I just take aim, I ain't aimless, and I let it fly like a spaceship and just